wake up every morning, use a winner, yeah.
What going on, guys? It's your girl Razor in the thing, and welcome back to another video. Let's get right into it. Before you watch this, or right after you watch this, make sure to check out my recent start to finish hair growth routine. I basically went from that one straight into this one. I started off with unraveling my hair from that video. I wore the hairstyle for about a week, and now it's time to go right into my next hair growth routine. This start to finish hair growth routine is really fast, quick, easy, simple, and it all starts from the wash day. One product will be used for wash day. I repeat, one product will be used for wash day. I do have a video where I go more into detail on my quick wash day hair routine, so you may want to check that out when you're finished. I'm not going to go too much into detail on how I shampoo my hair, but in a nutshell, I wet my hair under running water, detangled, then I shampooed. Simple, easy, basic. I stamp on it. This product is a 2-in-1 product, a shampoo and the conditioner in one. It's one of my favorite cleansers, and it has been for a couple months now. I have been using this in rotation, and I still yet have to share my favorite shampoos with you guys. It's coming. We're using one product that's shampooing and conditioning our hair, and then boom, we're going to go into moisturizing, sealing, and ending with another one of my go-to hairstyles on my natural hair. Cha-ching! Welcome on, guys. It's your girl Razor in the thing, and let's continue with the video. So you guys already saw me wash my hair. I used a 2-in-1 product, right? Quick and easy when you don't have time. Now I'm going to do another one of my go-to quick hairstyles. This one would work best if you have a lot more length, but if you don't, you can just pin it at the back to make it work still, or you can add extensions, whichever one. I'm going to do my basic 2 braids, but we're going to moisturize them with a leave-in conditioner and then use grease. And I'm going to be trying out a new grease for the first time on camera. I wanted to save this moment for the camera for you guys. You guys know, because I've been trying them all out. So we have the Blue Magic olive oil hair conditioner. So this is the olive oil grease by Blue Magic. Have you guys used this before? It's saying on the package that it's enriched with aloe vera. Let's see how this works in my hair. It says it helps seal in moisture, smooths, and controls curl. Interesting. We're gonna try out the green one today, the olive oil. I did have to re-wet my hair because I'm back and forth between the kitchen and doing my hair. So I'm just gonna spritz my hair with a curl refresher leave-in type spray. And I also haven't used this before, but this brand seems to have moisturizing products. So anytime you're doing your hair, you want to make sure you're using moisturizing products, of course, and then sealing that moisture in. Spraying it all over my hair first before I go in and part and detangle. Now I'm going to part. I'm gonna ask my niece to part my hair for me, Kayla, because I want a straight part. Let's see how she did. I don't know how it looks back there. Hopefully it's decent. It doesn't have to be perfect. If I'm not really going anywhere or leaving the house, then I'll just leave my hair like this. We're going to continue to section and moisturize. Spritz some more leave-in to detangle. Now let's apply the grease, but let's do a smell test first. It smells sort of like the Indian hemp, but more sweet. Apply that on my hair. Just loosely twist it up while I do the same thing for the other section. So far the grease is giving me soft, lightweight type vibes. Brush this out. This step is optional. You don't have to if you don't want to, but I want to, and I usually do. Apply some gel, mostly the top part of my hair, up here and front hair. Drag it down a little bit just so these areas can be smooth. Then brush. Oh, and you guys know that the gel I'm currently using, I just switch between using different gels because I don't really have a favorite gel yet. Argan Oil Eco Style. Make sure my hair is detangled. Prepare me to braid. Break it down into 3. 1 underneath, 1 at the top, and 1 in the middle. Thick hair problems. Wait, take 2, because I gotta make sure I grip my hair. We're braiding. Braiding. Detangle the ends. Apply some more grease. I don't braid all the way to the end most times. So we got this left. I'm just gonna twirl, twirl, twirl. There you go. And if I see a little piece that needs cutting, we're gonna cut it just to keep up with the thickness of my ends. Ooh. So now I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. I usually do this really quick, but when I'm filming, it's a little slower. Why y'all didn't tell me that the front part ain't straight? I mean, it's okay, but anyway, this is what the braids are looking like. You can't tell me these aren't the most moisturized braids ever. Hair looks good, feels good. Now I'm going to do, I just had my ponytail holder right in front of me. Oh, it's right here. Take off these hairs. Where's the scissors? So they won't get tangled in my hair. Well, yeah. I mean, this is my hair on the, anyway, never mind. Take off these shed hairs. So I'm gonna tie these at the back. We have our scarf. We're gonna tie the scarf and then we're gonna let it set for a while. So yes, this is just to keep my edges sleek and compacted, prevent the flyaways and the frizz for a little bit. It's about a day after the last time you guys saw me. So when did I do my hair? Well, to be honest, I don't even know. I think I've been wearing my hair like this for about 2 days actually. I haven't re-moisturized yet, so I'm going to re-moisturize in front of you guys. Doesn't take that long, and it's more so for the edges. Confessions, I don't tie my hair with a scarf most nights because let's be realistic, it's going to come off. Okay, so it is what it is. Still damp a little bit, but looks moisturized still. Spritz with water, focusing on the edges, apply a little bit more grease, focusing on the ends, detangle a little bit because I'm going to braid it right back up. Now I'm going to apply some gel. What are we focusing on? Focusing on the edges, not much. I pick at the middle of my hair. I need to stop doing that. Lay those down. We're going to braid. And we can continue to add grease on the hair. So yeah, I'm also do this go-to hairstyle when I want to stretch my hair for a certain style. When I'm not in the mood to do my hair or when I don't have the time. Especially if I know I'm going to have a busy work week. You guys still see how moisturized my braid is? Thick, shiny, and healthy looking. I actually need to leave the house. So let me brush the edges again. So let me do the same thing to the other side off camera because I don't want to be late. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and these series of start to finish hair growth routines. See you in the next one. Bye!